Hi, I'm Jack. I'm a design and service engineer from Jemtech. I chose the apprenticeship because I prefer a more practical way to learn and also really like the idea of getting paid to learn on the job. My apprenticeship consisted of the first year at the AMTC. The second year was a block release programme of 2-week basis at AMTC again, and third year was a consolidation period out in industry working for Jemtech. I chose Jemtech because it was an opportunity to do something different every day out in the field and also getting hands-on skills whilst gaining responsibilities, and also it's a very good team to work with. If someone was to come to me and ask if they should take on an apprenticeship, I'd definitely push them to do so. I've never looked back myself and it's absolutely amazing to get hands-on experience whilst getting paid to do the job.